Oh, morning, people. Oh, God, I'm shattered. I probably look monstered. But I'm not shattered. I'm raring to go. Listen, big climb to start with today and then a massive descent, but I believe the roads are closed, so it's going to be a bit of navigating for some roadworks. Down into Dalen, and then get some scran down there, and I'm going to go along to a sleeping cabin tonight along the canals, the Telemark canals, which are stunning. And then I'll update you as we get on road, but in the meantime I'll show you around. Tell you what, I feel considerably better than I did yesterday. I was tired yesterday. Straight from off I worked right. But today I'm feeling considerably richer than you. Yeah, I'm considerably better. I was alright yesterday, I was just tired, man. I didn't really get a big sleep and it rubbed off. Them last few kilometres, killer. But what a cracking little pitch that was. And that swim this morning. So I've got it's about, I don't know, an hour up to top here, and then we drop down into Dalen. It's pronounced Dalen, but we'd say we're called Dalen, but it's Dalen. So to me, early bird Dalen. What am I doing? I just love it when I'm climbing. It's almost like meditation. You can control your heart rate, your breathing, and if you just get in that zone, it's not hurting your legs. It's just an amazing little feeling. There's nothing around you, you can't hear anything except your own heart rate and the sound of the birds, the odd elk. Eidsborg Stave Church is one of 28 remaining Stave churches in Norway, built between 1250 and 1300 AD. How cool is that church, man? There's like a museum here and everything. You can pay to go around it. It shows all based on the Telemark area, the history of it. Also, there's this section here. This is cool. You can see the little locks going along. It's a replica of where we're actually going to go in a minute, down into Dalen. This is the canal that they built alongside the lake, so it's in miniature. How cool is that? You can go and have a look at that as well. And then there's a museum. Yeah, I was going to go in, but I just can't. It's not for me. Mr. Harrison, Easton, why are you not paying attention? Me at school in history. I think his name was Harrison. I don't even know what his name was. Anyway, I'm blabbing. See you down. We're going downhill now. It's about 15 minutes downhill. Ooh, it's going to be class. Still got that wobble on my tyre. It's the tyre's not seated properly. I'm gonna have to sort it when I get home, but it wobbles. It does your tits in. And that creaky seat, that's going when I get home as well. And also my shorts are fucked. So I'll see you down in Dalen. Dalen. And this is the stunning Dalen Hotel. I'll tell you a little bit of history. Anyway, the owner of this is a billionaire. Before this guy bought it out, he'd gone into rack and ruin this place. And a billionaire bought it out, and he owns quite a few other hotels. And he bought this out, did it up again, got it back into working order, but it actually operates at a loss. But because it's so stunning and his other hotels make profit, then it subsidises it, because he didn't want it to just disappear, so he keeps it going. It's pretty stunning, isn't it? I've got a bit of a change of plan. I'm just pondering what I'm going to do, so I'll update you very shortly, but it's all good news, all good people, all good. But with it down, this was my main objective. All right, peeps. Right, so I'm down in Dalen. I booked onto it's called Boy Camping in Dalen. 13 quid. Just shows how expensive that first one, and this is miles better. I'm down here in Dalen. It's gorgeous, man. Right, quick one. So I'm here tonight. I arrived. I've only done 13 miles today. Nice easy one over the tops and down the descent. I wanted to chill, and I've done nothing but not chill. Fucking fanning about as usual. I had to sort a bus ticket out, which I'll explain briefly, not now, later on, but I'm doing a separate vlog on the logistics of all the trip, because that could be handy for someone who's planning to do something similar, how I got all the trains and so on. So that'll be on a separate vlog. Right, folks, I'm going to turn in. So that's end of day 5. I did 13.5 miles today. Reason being, I made a decision that, I think it was day, I don't know, that to finish the whole route, I was really going to be cutting it short, and it would meant to be cycling, as he has done for the past 4 days, till about 9-10 o'clock at night. So where I am now in Dalen, I can catch the bus from here. There's nothing in between here and Progasom, the other final destination, which is 100 miles away. So they're the only 2 places you can get transport from. So I made the decision to get the transport back from here tomorrow day, so then I can have a bit of a chill. So today and tomorrow has been a bit of a chill wind down, which has been good really. I've had some shit though, pizzas and this fucking chocolate's really good. I better put about a stone on, no matter, even though I've been cycling. Anyway, blabbing, going.